Good morning.
It's a mirror and you kind of smell like balls.
Why would you say that? Hello everyone, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, nice to meet you. Today we're going on a hike.
That's the only thing I'm doing.
We're going on a hike today and I'm getting some fun packages. I'll show you guys and some fun packages tomorrow. And it's gonna be an eventful vlog of moving. But look how clean the apartment is behind you. Wow. Who knew this could happen? Like, I'll try and vlog for you guys and I'll see you later. Yeah, he's right.
I like this one, bro. This one fits me so nice.
It's off from Amazon.
Huh?
I'll send you the link. Adi just said right before I started this clip how my booty looks.
Looking like a dump truck.
Oh my god. My legs are already dying. Guys, no one knows about this stuff. I don't even think we're going the right way. We did legs yesterday and decided to do an uphill hike today. I don't know whose idea that was. I'll give you guys a breakdown in case you needed it. Leg day on Thursday, right? And then we did moving, like packing up everything in a truck.
Having to go up and down the stairs.
Up and down stairs, huge bags, huge boxes.
You know, guess who's doing the heavy lifting?
Okay, but I did a lot too. And it was just me and him, majority of it, and then we had a little bit of help later.
Guess who's doing the heaviest lifting?
So, we did that on Friday, right? Saturday, drove, like a long drive, honestly, and then moved more stuff into a truck and took it all out. Just kept moving things all day. Right? Same day.
That day I was so tired.
Yeah. And then Sunday, we just were nonstop unpacking. And then yesterday, Monday, we did leg day.
My boy's left.
So, now today we're doing a hike, and I don't know whose idea this was, and I don't like this route, babe. I like the route we took last time. We made it to the top. Just kidding. It's like a small route we took to get to this little 360 view. The ocean's over there. That's like downtown LA, I think. This is like the valley. I don't know what's over there, but. And there's that. There's a DD.
This is where it gets sketched.
Babe.
It's a literal cliff. You have to jump off.
Babe, that's a literal cliff.
No, look.
Oh my god. What the heck? Babe.
Yo, it looks like a cliff.
Yo, yeah, but when you get closer, it's not too bad. It's definitely steep, but.
It actually look like a cliff.
How do we get back
You gotta
up?
look at this.
Okay guys, the task of the day is going to be putting prints in my bedroom. And that brings me to today's sponsor. Thank you, Desenio, for collaborating with me on today's video. If you guys haven't heard of Desenio, they offer trendy and high quality Scandinavian print and frames, and they're constantly updating and adding more and more prints on there. They literally have something for everyone, every style. Like, I got so many different ones. I can't wait to show you guys. They also ship to countries worldwide within like 5 days, so you literally get your stuff so quickly. They gave me some amazing prints to use around the apartment. I'm actually making a gallery wall on one of the walls. You guys will see that later, but today I want to do my bedroom and I want to show you guys some of the prints I got from them. So these are the two that I'm going to be putting above my bed. Sorry, my ring light is literally in them. But look at how cute these are. So this one is like an abstract moment, and then this one is like this green swirly lines, I guess. And these are gonna go right next to each other behind my bed, and they're just perfect. I believe this is the size 50 by 70 centimeters. I will link everything below, but these are the ones that are like the main focal point of the room. And then like my room, as you can tell, it's like kind of like green, black vibes. I got some more prints. So I got this one. This is also like an abstract figure, and it has like green different tones, which I really love. I don't know where to put this yet, so we're gonna have to figure it out together. And then I love like a good quote. So I got this one. This says, worry less, smile more, don't regret, just learn and grow. I think this is so cute. And also it has like the forest green lettering, which matches like the whole room. So we're gonna figure out where to put all these. Okay, we have my helpers, Adi and Alex Farkas, and we're gonna put these prints up because I feel like
why'd you expose me like that? Why didn't she say my full name?
I just feel like sometimes people need to like know that his name's not Fargus.
Yo, yeah, for real. I mean, no disrespect.
Okay.
For real, Alex.
I respect.
And they're gonna help me put these up. I gotta see where I'd want them.
This is going to be a great addition.
This is gonna be the distance between them. Thoughts? Okay, I'm gonna go get a pencil. Be right back. Okay, I'm gonna mark the difference between the two on the wall. Okay, we're gonna do it one at a time. Give me a nail. Give me a nail. Give me a nail.
Yes.
Wait, are you just putting, bro? She didn't even locate anything.
You need to locate the thingies.
Are you serious? You just put it up? You don't even know if it's
You need to know if there's a plank there.
you. Wait, how do you even hang this up?
No, I'm just.
Whoa! You just completely destroyed the wall right there. That's what I'm saying.
Uh-oh.
Uh
Uh-oh.
oh. What's wrong with it?
That just goes.
This is what you do, you just super glue.
What do I do? This little one. We need this little one. Look at how small. Perfect.
Yo, that looks stable.
Perfect. Woo!
That is mad crooked.
You can adjust it.
No, you can't.
You just gotta. Oh my god.
It's crooked.
Yeah, it's so crooked.
No, it's not. You're lying.
No, I feel
It
attacked.
is crooked.
Yeah, that's why we said
That is what we said, bro.
You just like fix it. Duh. Okay, next one. How do I make it like correct?
She's made a decision on where she's gonna put it.
Okay. I think I'm just go for it. Yep. Here we go.
Listen, hear me out right? Alright? Let's say you do it right now.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like off, you know, it's like too high.
Yeah.
You do it lower, it's gonna have the hole on top still.
Right.
So if anything, start low, like
Right.
lower and move
Okay.
up.
This masterpiece.
Oh god. Oh!
I kind of finesse.
Yo, this one, the left one a little right, like a little, yeah, wait.
Wow, it looks pretty nice. Watch this. Finesse.
Finessery.
For like some positive vibes.
Positive.
Look over. Don't look at my nightstand. It's pretty messy right now. What do you think? Cute, right? Yeah, I think I'm gonna put this in the bathroom somewhere, but I have to wait to put this up. Oh, look, so what do you guys think? Obviously this bed sheet, good work, good work. This bed sheet is like good for Sky when she sleeps on the bed, but I think it looks cute. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, I really like it.
What do you think, Alex?
It's fine. Bye.
Bye. So if you guys liked any of these prints, or if you guys are looking for any prints for your space, you guys can go shop Desenio in the link in my description. Also, they are offering a discount code of 30% off. The code is going to be emilyalexaander30, and that obviously gives you 30% off. Valid until February 25th until midnight, so you guys make sure you go shop so you can get that deal. The code doesn't apply to frames or personalized handpicked prints, but everything else is 30% off. Thank you again, Desenio, for partnering with me on today's video. Morning, guys. I literally just got woken up from the driver from my couch. IKEA comes. So now I need to like clear this out really quick so they can bring the couch in. And I'm so like discombobulated. But yeah. Okay, now I can relax till they get here, but I was literally mid-dream thinking I had more time because I checked the status and it was coming at 2 p.m. and it's 10 a.m. so it's great. It's really great. Okay guys, I got the couch and like my other items, but I thought it was gonna come fully built and obviously it's not. So we're gonna have to phone some people to come help me because there's no way I'm doing this alone. Mother's here to save the day.
Yay! I'm the task rabbit for the day.
You're the task rabbit. She told me don't hire anyone. We're gonna build it. So I'm scared. guys, my camera died, but I got the structure of the couch up. My mom just left. It was just really hard to like get the pieces together. Like building it was like fine, but then like getting it together was like really difficult. But I'm about to put all the cushions on and then I'll show you guys the final result. Okay guys, are you ready for the couch reveal? I have it right here. I kind of styled it, not too much. Also, I put the coffee table down. Still don't know how I'm gonna style that, but I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. Ta-da! Beautiful couch. It's a little wrinkled, and the cushions aren't fully like plumped yet, but I think it's so cute. I'm so excited for like everything to be done because it will like really bring out the couch. And then I have a candle going because the cushions kind of smelled weird, so it kind of made the place smell a bit weird. But I think it's so cute. It's just like in this little corner. Stunning. I am going to do some laptop work on the couch with the TV on, which is so exciting. Guys, it's been so much time later. I was in the process. Oh, Sky made herself comfortable on my white couch. Perfect. Hi, Sky. Look, we have Sky here. She hasn't, this is her first time here. She's very confused, but no, what are you, no. Do you think you're gonna jump there? Because you're not. You need to relax. I helped Adi move out of his place, so I haven't been here for a while, and let me just show you guys what my parents did when I was gone. So this is what they did. They built my like little drawer, like chest, like where I'm gonna put all my shoes, and this is actually gonna move over there. Look at all these packages for me. There's some there. There's some over here. There's some on the also, this is new. I'm gonna fill these up and make it really cute. But just a lot of stuff I have to go through, so I thought I'd do like a quick unboxing haul. Okay, I think I've decided to just open everything and show you guys after. Okay guys, I literally just unboxed everything and I'll show you guys kind of like the main...
Wait, you?
Yes, me. You did not help a lot. But I'll show you guys kind of like the bigger pieces that I got. So I got this big bed. Sky has this in her crate. Oh, wow, she really sat on it right when I was recording her. What a cutie, little cutie. And then under it, as you can see, is the rug. Obviously, like, we need to get it under the couch and like moved over. But there's the rug. And then I got like this pillow cover for the couch, like a black pillow. Okay, I got an air fryer, guys. I'm very excited to like learn how to use this. Obviously it comes with like directions and all that good stuff, so I need to figure that out. I don't know if it's gonna stay there, but I don't really have a lot of room, so it might just end up staying there. A dining chair. This is from Urban Outfitters, so basically I'm gonna have this on one end and then the other one on the other end. But I got two and one was faulty, so I have to return it and get a new one, but it's such a cute chair. I love it. That's going upstairs. So I got this just to hang my sponges. It's a little flimsy, but whatever, it does the job. And then I got these stunning salt and pepper shakers. Look how pretty these are. I'm gonna put obviously salt and pepper in them, but I think they're so cute, and they're literally from Amazon for like $6. I got this little glass candle to like use for styling shelves. I'm gonna take like the top off of the scent. It doesn't smell the best, but I think it looks really pretty, so I like that. And then obviously you guys saw in my last vlog I needed shorter candlesticks, so I got shorter candlesticks for my jar. You guys know I've been wanting to use. I feel like I got so much, yet like nothing else. Oh my god, she's so cute, guys. Oh my god, I love you. Are you happy, baby? You're so precious. I love you. Hey guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Stay tuned for more moving vlogs because obviously the apartment is not completely done. I still wanna like decorate it a certain way, and obviously the office space is not even close to being done. A lot of work to do. I'm so out of breath because I've just been running around all day, but stay tuned for more vlogs. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you so much for sticking around this long in the vlog, and comment Sky the Pomsky if you guys are at this point, you know what I mean? I love you guys all so much. So does Sky. Hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing life, and we'll see you in the next video. Say bye, Sky. Wait, say bye, Sky. Whatever. Bye, guys.